Okay, I just started up this Bosch inverter unit. You can hear how quiet it is. The fan's running right now. You can hardly hear it even running. So how this works is it starts off in low stage, in the lowest stage, and since I just turned it on, it's and it's going through its test cycle, and then as it's running, it'll keep ramping up and ramping up and ramping up, depending on the demand of the house. Now the house is at 87 degrees right now, so this will start ramping up even more once it starts seeing the demand of the refrigerant coming back to the inverter. All the sensors and everything are in this unit. There's nothing in the furnace. All it does is it senses the coil temperature through the refrigerant coming back to the unit. So basically I got to let this run for about 20 minutes and to get up to full stage, and then we'll check the charge on it and everything. I have my spark probes hooked up. Like I said, you can hear it. All you can hear, this is the fan right now. You can hardly hear it running. This has a Mitsubishi compressor in it, kind of the same as their ductless mini splits. So those are very quiet, very well proven technology. So this is the next wave of the future. This is a Bosch right there. This is a Bosch 3-ton. Give you the model number here. 36,000 BTU Bosch. So we will get this running. Well, it is running, like I said, it's running right now. But it's, like I said, it's super quiet. It's pretty cool, pretty nice unit. I'm pretty happy with it so far. So yeah, once I get it all tested up, we'll start another video.